It is now time to check in on the markets. Joining us from CommSec is Tom Piotrowski. Tom, what can we expect when the market opens?
Danica, good morning. Well, we can expect a bit of a reprieve from the selling that has been such a feature of this week. For example, yesterday, the ASX 200 finished down by around 0.75%. And this morning, we can look forward to a gain of a little under 1/3% for the ASX 200. And that's a reflection of the better tone, at least, that we've seen on Wall Street, less so where European markets are concerned. But for the US markets, they have again been in the grips of a pretty solid sell-off over the course of the last couple of days, mainly driven by growth concerns. So a little bit of a departure from the concerns around inflation, although they still exist. But growth has been front and center for US investors as a wall of worry to climb. And the S&P 500 rather has fallen by as much as 4% over the course of the week. As we speak right now, we've got that index up by around 0.6%, the Nasdaq up by about 1%, and the Dow Jones up by about 1/3%. But there are still examples, Danica, of those growth concerns, and you could probably best illustrate that through oil prices last night. So one of the key oil pipelines in the US, it takes oil from the west coast of Canada down to the Gulf producing area in the US, the Keystone Pipeline. It was taken offline because of a leak last night. We saw a push higher for oil prices initially, but they have fallen since. So West Texas Intermediate crude oil over the course of this week has fallen by as much as 14%, and that is a great example of the growth concerns that I'm talking about. Elsewhere, the Aussie dollar has recovered a little bit over the course of the last couple of days, having traded as low as 66.6 US cents. We're currently seeing it closer to 67.7.
Tom, thank you.